Merry Christmas. Yeah,
I
Merry
know.
Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay.
I know some Spanish.
Anong oras kayo dumating? What time did you arrive, Sir Jan?
You know what? I haven't been really paying too much to it time. But I think we got here at
Tagal pa kami at 20.
8:30.
Baby JJ! Ayaw. Baby JJ!
Gigi, may bisita na yun.
Baby JJ! Ayaw doon, ayaw.
Ay, hanggang dito na lang tayo, mga
Oh, bye-bye! Bye-bye na mga kasuwid! Bye-bye!
Hindi nakakalimutan natin.
Tatay, upo.
Malagi na lang.
Ay, dapat ginawa mo kay kukonsi doon.
Hindi ko nga yun, oh. Yan, matabang daw. Ihaw mo ang iyong perito. Kunti lang pati sa ilalagay ko. Is my wife.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Later on, I will...
Introduce.
I will introduce you to my girlfriend.
Lagot ka.
Buti ka na si Mabrixie na dyan. Picture tayo. Nagkaselecta sa English.
Take care.
Prexy, huwag alis dyan ha. Pag nalang split kami dito ba?
Ibang pressure na sagot.
Ano yung pulutan sa English?
Wala duli.
Wala?
Wala.
Wala ba? Wala ba?
Pika-pika.
Sir, this may hungry?
What? What?
This is the page and baboys?
I'll
Baboys?
try one.
Yes.
I'll try.
Papalaban ko man sa Raiders ngayon.
Right,
Sakit
right.
lang may inubos oh.
Kaya sigurado?
Do you smoke?
No. Dangerous
it's
your my
smoking.
Marlboro country.
No, don't try smoking.
On my side.
Do you smoke?
No.
Okay, thank you. Mr. John Travolta.
John Patterson. Kuya Tolitz, John Patterson.
John Patterson.
Oh, ayusin.
Okay. Okay, delicious bayboy.
Bayboy. Bayboy.
Just support, a little bit support.
You're actually really good at English.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
no, thank you. I have been reading a lot of books English because when I came here, I cannot even speak clear in Tagalog.
Really?
So what I did, I just read books every day English so as to exercise my how I communicate in English.
Wow. That's good.
We have almost very experienced in a lot of talking like
To foreigners.
foreigner because he is also a
Okay.
Catholic faith defender and the other
Yeah, you know that actually I became a translator for 2 years.
Church of God faith blah, blah, blah. And there are so many foreigner there come here
Okay.
Church of God, and he is the one that
Translating. Translating.
Oo.
From Tagalog to English. Okay, nice one daw.
English to Bisaya.
Mm.
Good as well.
thank you
Oh.
You learned English more, advanced English in college?
that is our advantage but not really very good but because it difference when you are always speaking in English but us we are not really speaking daily that's why there's something very
We need to po.
He's supposed to be a seaman. You know seaman?
Oh, yeah.
Seaman, yeah, seafarer. How do you call that in your seafarer? Seaman. Seaman.
Seafarer.
On a boat for quite a while.
Yeah.
Seafarers.
Seaman in the Philippines they are popular as the they have money,
They have,
great job, nice job.
then they,
So actually, but me also, I want to be a seaman before, but I didn't finish my study. So now we're still seaman. We have a boat.
Yeah. yeah. I mean,
more than a seaman.
Yeah. But not just like a big boat that will study 1,000.
Ngayon ko lang na-experience na may inuman na English yun. Parang ang English ng pulutan.
We should have a dictionary when we do not know how to translate in English, so that we can elaborate some some words to John.
Oh, Kuya Tolit, saan na?
Nakikinig lang ako.
good thing now we have the smartphone thing, so now we can just Google.
Oh yeah, but if we need to explain, we cannot.
Diretso lang.
Yeah,
Di ako marunong, diretso lang. Wala.
Alin ba yung pang-edit mo? Alin cellphone ang pang-edit?
Kapkat to lang
Hindi,
din.
ano pang lang din.
Chocolate Hills and
Chocolate Hills in Bohol.
yeah.
Yeah, that's why I asked you earlier if you're a nature lover because you can see lots
Yeah,
of
you like sci-fi movies, maybe?
sapphire movies.
Sci-fi,
Like
sci-fi.
Sci-fi?
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi? Ano yun?
Yeah, the
Yung kumukuni ka para magkasiglan?
Dol.
yeah, the
Sci-fi,
Chocolate Hills
idol,
look
mahal
like
niya ang
something
bundok.
from another world.
Yeah.
You're going to a different planet. The
Yes,
hills.
Chocolate Hills.
Tamo, hindi pa siya monetize, may ads na.
Ganun ang YouTube ngayon.
Sina?
Si
Alin ang
ano?
YouTube channel niya? Oh,
Sino pa sa Bohol? Ay, si Franz Star.
Mahal niya ang ano, mahal niya ang
Are you
bundok.
still watching?
Ang importante ay naintindihan niyo yung sinasabi namin.
Hmm.
Si Patan, lumayo-layo na eh.
Wala doon, sumama kay ano.
Ano yan?
One Jan.
Jan ano?
Juan.
Juan Jan.
One
Ito
Jan.
pala
Ano
yung
bang
YouTube
kinilaw?
channel niya.
Kinilaw.
One John
Bro.
Carlos.
Yeah.
Because
Google natin, Dol. Google natin.
middle name is Carlos. First name is John. But as a kid, everybody started calling me Juan Carlos because Juan is like the Spanish version of John. So they started calling me Juan Carlos instead of John Carlos.
Kung ano palang kinilaw.
Kinilaw? Ay, have you heard the word kinilaw? Do you eat, you know,
Raw
ano ba
fish.
explain yun?
Raw fish, Sir Jan, you will eat.
You know, tomorrow, we were going to the island and we try to catch fish like a tuna, this one. And after you catch the fish, you just slide a little bit of the what do you call it? Piece of flesh of fish. How to finish ba?
Oh, Dolo.
Piece of part of fish and then you just
Dip.
put it into a vinegar and then you eat. How do you call it in your
Raw.
I like,
Raw.
I like vinegar. I do like vinegar.
Tama ba?
Raw. You're eating the fish raw, Sir Jan, without cooking.
Fresh.
No need to
Right
cook.
after you catch the fish, you
You eat.
get
Raw fish nga, raw fish salad,
piece
raw fish
of
nga.
part of the fish.
Yung
Yeah, just
tagiro natin, nawala
like
na yung mayari.
and then
Lasing
you
na.
put into the vinegar and then you eat. Can you do that?
I will try.
Uwihi, tusing
Just
na.
I never
Ikaw naman mag-live
done
tip.
it, so
You never
try it.
in your
Naka-live ba yan eh?
Wala na mayari, lasing na eh.
Mag-live ka kaya para
Oh, sige, ako naman.
Palilipatin na lang natin sa iyo. Tapos, ano,
di pa ako nagla-live.
Ay, di ka pa.
Well,
Maybe next time,
yeah, cured fish. too.
I will,
right up. It's
pero
very
mas
fresh.
maganda yung nakakahalubilo ka ng ganito, nakaka-English eh. Ako nga eh, to executive ka namin na we meet a foreigner like you to execute consecutive.
Sa Bagdaw.
But it's very
Yeah, you can tell us if you want to get rest.
good
This
to enhance our
manipa to eh.
spoken dollars.
If you want some more, then I can.
Yeah, I'll but slowly. Like,
Slowly.
Like you said, like this. Like,
Yeah, it's
put it real
fine.
slow.
it's okay.
Slowly. Pero nakatatlo ka na.
you've got three.
Got three already.
You've got three already, Sir
I got
Jan.
two.
Okay.
Oh. Sir John, you're lashing. You're drunk. You're drunk already, Sir John.
Yeah. I feel like I'm slightly dizzy.
Oh.
It's been 6 years and I'm not used to drinking.
Mm.
When you but if your parents will see the blood and something, you will.
No, my dad, I used to drink with him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
My mom, I don't know because she's very
strict.
Christian, anti-liquor.
Little liquor.
Yeah, doesn't believe in drinking liquor. Yeah, but it's okay. She won't see this.